Hello everybody! It is the 1st of August and we all know that means lots of new fun and inspiration out from Spellbinders for our clubs this month. Let's start with the small die of the month called the Boo Crew Lab. And this is very fun. Okay, we have got so much here. We've got those 2 bats. We've got our 3 different candles with their flames. We've got 2 very cute little ghost story books. We also have a Halloween cake, which has that little Frankenstein topped with a little pumpkin, and that pumpkin has its own individual hat, so that hat can be swapped around and used differently, and you also don't have to put the pumpkin on the cake, you can change that up as well. There is also the cutest little ghost to go with this. Now the beaker or the flask that you're going to put all your spooky chemicals in comes in multiple parts as well to make it very easy to go ahead and have multiple different colours. This is a very fun set. The Boomobile is the name of our large die of the month, and I can't help but smile. It really does remind me very much of the old, very original Batmobile. When you stop and look at this die set, there is so much unique detail in these die cuts. That car has a large pumpkin on the front of it for a grill, and that can be used separately as well. And then the sort of pumpkin shaped outline for the car reminds me of some sort of Halloween basket that you might have lots of candy in. Then you've got things like our banners that say boo and hey. We've got those really funny little skull car lights on our car. And then we've got things like witch's legs and another little ghost driving the car. We have got so much detail in here. You've got the extra bat wings, you've got an extra large eyeball, you've got another witch's hat, which is a larger size again to the one in the small die. So lots of options there to mix and match. And I will point out the steering wheel is separate, so no matter where you live in the world, you can put your steering wheel on the right side of the vehicle. Our stitching die of the month is Frankenstitch, and it will have you stitched up for sure with joy. This one is very cute. So not only are you getting the stitch dies to make all those bandages for your monster or mummy or your Frankenstein, you're also getting a sentiment in there, trick or treat. And it's got those fabulous teeth that I can see using lots of different ways, as well as a multi-piece eyeball, so you can have lots of layers for your eyes, or you can keep it really simple and just use a couple layers. Our 2D embossing folder is quite aptly named Happy Jacks, and as you can see, we have some very happy, not too scary or creepy jack-o'-lanterns covering our embossing folder. Always that lovely large size that you expect with Spellbinders embossing folders, and you can see it makes the perfect backdrop for all the products in the kit this month. There is no mistaking what we're celebrating with this embossing folder. Now our 3D embossing folder is fabulous. It's called Spooky Web, and this month we've got an embossing folder that is one of the ones divided in 2, so you get 2 patterns instead of 1 in one embossing folder. Now the webs themselves are beautiful. I think the design of those webs is really quite elegant and of course makes a perfect backdrop, but I think you can make it very fun or very dressed up depending on the feel that you want for your card. Love that we get 2 options. Now, the press and foil this month is really funny. It is called Boo Humbug, and the sentiments that comes with this press and foil really do crack me up. I also love the illusion that this press and foil plate gives. It's got that adorable, happy little ghost, and then this very cranky, scary looking ghost behind it. And I love that you've got sentiments that say, boo, now leave me alone, or boo, humbug. And this one is my favourite. I tried to be nice. It was terrifying. Now, our stencil of the month is called Peekaboo. And you'll see that it is this very cleverly thought out 5 stencil set that covers the front of an A2 card. Always have lots of options, but to take that panel and use it on a larger size card or a different format size card. So don't feel that you're stuck with using just an A2 size card. Now you can see there's fun ways to decorate those little jack-o'-lanterns and ghosts with your googly eyes, or you can leave them plain and go crazy with different colour combinations and different elements from the other clubs to make it very entertaining. Our stamp and die of the month is called Trick or Snark, and I do like a good snarky little comment. So here we have some very, very cute images of our 2 little monsters with their party balloons, and they really are an adorable set. Now, our snarky comments include, my skeletons have skeletons, let's eat candy and judge people, I'm haunted by my life choices, the spirits made me do it, and cute but potentially cursed. I think you'll agree they're funny rather than being nasty, and very cute. If you get the All Clubs crate, you are getting everything you've seen, plus look at these very fun add-ons this month. We have got that quite snarky looking cat with his little fangs sticking out, with a pumpkin on his head, and of course we've got to have that tail in there. What is a black cat without his little slinky tail? And then to go with that, we have another die set that includes a set of 3 eyes, some large circles which will be multi-purpose for lots of different projects, and we also got some shapes that we can use to cut smiles into our paper or panels, as well as some really fun details with teeth and a tongue, and just lots of potential to have a good fun play. It also gives you just that opportunity to sit back and make something that makes you smile and have fun. I hope you found something in this month's kits that make you smile and give you happiness. But until next time, it's bye-bye for me, and I hope you have a lovely day.